now we're going to move over to MicroStrategy, which has again purchased more Bitcoins. The business analytics software provider has purchased another 3,907 Bitcoins to add to its original trove of the original cryptocurrency. This story thanks to Mr. Seward on the show with us today. So let's give it right off to you. It's a lot more Bitcoins that they purchased. And now they have
they got some more Bitcoins.
Well over 100,000.
Just a few.
Yep, just almost like 109,000 Bitcoin sitting there in the swimming pool of gold Bitcoin coins. So yeah, Michael Saylor, it's sort of felt like we haven't seen this in a while. So it's kind of back, like Bitcoin is kind of mounting, getting close to 50,000. I think it reached 50,000 for a minute the other day, and now Michael Saylor, the patron saint of big Bitcoin buying, is back in business, baby. And that's what we're seeing here. So I guess his, conviction has not waned despite some price vacillation in recent months. And he is saying, hey, MicroStrategy is still all about that Bitcoin, boss. And he bought some more. So that's the story. It kind of feels like, I remember when this used to happen, it used to be really exciting and used to like drive the price and everyone would like freak out on Twitter. And right now it's just sort of like, yeah, it's routine. He's just bought another, 177 million of Bitcoin in one fell swoop. No big deal. So to me, it was kind of like, when this came out this morning, I was kind of remembering the excitement of those early days when, this publicly traded software firm went all in on Bitcoin. So just fun remembering the early chapters of this cycle. Ben, I'll toss it to you. I'm just curious for your take.
I was just gonna say, y'all, haven't we come so far? What is it? I don't even know what month it is. It's like August, right? But like from like January on, like we talked about, unicorns
like
turning into
time.
narwhals. We talked about the excitement about Michael Saylor purchasing Bitcoin. Like, remember Elon Musk, that dude who's now creating a bot that's really just a dude dressed in spandex for some reason. It's like, I think that incremental progress here is really important because it does show like the naturalization of all of these sort of like incremental aspects in this regard. So like we talked yesterday about like Visa buying an NFT, and we were all kind of like, why, but also okay. And that would have been like shocking news in January. And so I think it's important because it just shows how institutional this is becoming and just how integral to like the current discussion and zeitgeist, crypto and all the affiliated stuff like DeFi and everything else is, because it's not going away. And I think that's my big takeaway here is how unsurprised I am by some of these things. And it shows, just how far we've come over the course of like 2021.
See, this is what happens when the SEC doesn't approve a Bitcoin ETF. You have forced Michael Saylor to just become the Bitcoin ETF.
Don't you trigger Gensler.
MicroStrategy is now just Bitcoin. It's a proxy stock. All their company does is have.
There we go.
There he is. Look at that.
Yes.
That's him.
All
That's
illusions
him
of
with
Scrooge
all his
McDuck.
holdings.
This is it.
Yes.
I feel like the SEC did
That's
this.
amazing. I feel
Shout
like we
out
can
to
just
our
end the
graphics
show
designer
now.
there.
Yeah.
We got to get our faces
Someone's
on
gotta
like
say
the
the line.
on the nephews, Anyway.
There is
What's
no
the line,
second
Will?
best.
You do it.
That's it.
Is that a
There is no
face of a
second
maxi?
Okay.
He looks so serious.
Yeah.
You guys
he
haven't seen
looks
the video,
very-
obviously.
This needs to be made into an NFT purchased by MicroStrategy, and then we have come full
Absolutely.
circle.
Or Visa. So
Yeah.
really get
I have
into
one
that
point I
stuff
want to
these
bring up
days.
that's interesting to me is
Yeah,
that
bring it, Will.
you have this company purchasing Bitcoin, and the method of purchasing it is leveraging the traditional finance system that we have today, which like is the purpose of Bitcoin, is to get rid of all that. So that's just kind of your ironic note for the day.